Welcome to the Oklahoma Railway Museum, a living, breathing tribute to the history and culture of the railroads of America's heartland. Located just a short drive from downtown Oklahoma City, the museum offers visitors a chance to step back in time and experience the golden age of rail travel. Welcome, I'm Blue Collar Joe. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment because we love to hear from you. All aboard! Founded in 1978, the Oklahoma Railway Museum is home to an impressive collection of historic locomotives, railcars, and other artifacts. Visitors can explore the museum's extensive exhibits, which feature a variety of unique steam and diesel engines, passenger cars, freight cars, and cabooses. All aboard! As you stroll through the museum's exhibits, you'll get a real sense of what it was like to travel by train in the early 20th century. From the luxurious passenger cars of the Santa Fe Railroad to the utilitarian boxcars of the Frisco Railroad, the museum's collection is truly impressive. But the Oklahoma Railway Museum is more than just a static collection of train cars. Visitors can take a ride on one of the museum's historic trains, including a steam locomotive and a diesel-electric locomotive. The museum also offers special events throughout the year, including train rides with Santa Claus during the holiday season. If you ever wondered how they use the commode on the train, well, here it is, and I tried it out to show you what it was like. All aboard! For those interested in the technical aspects of railroading, the museum has an impressive collection of locomotives and train car parts, as well as historic photographs and documents. Whether you're a seasoned train enthusiast or just looking for a unique day out with the family, the Oklahoma Railway Museum is a must-visit destination. So come, experience the history of railroading in Oklahoma and hear the whistle of the train as it echoes through the hills once again. All aboard! Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.